मडगांवां कलेक्टरेटा मुखार नवेंच बांदिल्ल्या हॉटेलाक लागून हायवेर गाड्यांक आडखळ जाता। हॉटेलांत यो वच करतले लोक गाडयो हायवेचेर नाल्यार फुटपाथीर दवरतात। हॉटेलाचे मजले वाडयल्यात। लोक म्हणटात नवे मजले बेकायदेशीर। लोकांचे कागाळी उपरांत पालिकेच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी वाठाराची पळोवणी केली। पालिकेचो रिपोर्ट वयर पावतलो। बिल्डींग रेजिडेन्शियल म्हूण ऑक्युपन्सी घेतल्या, मात वापरतात कमर्शियल असो आरोप गोवा मार एनजीओन केला।
Complaint is there that we have verified our report to the higher authority.
On this side, on the northern side here, this is supposed to be a dead wall. Inside of dead wall, there are open windows. Then this is supposed to be a this thing to the access to the rear, where it is converted access to the rear, where it is converted into shops, it's converted into restaurant. The second floor is supposed to have slopey slab. It is having now a flat slab, and a third floor has been built. The entire construction has been given license for residential use, but the entire is been converted into for commercial use. So I'm aware that even the footpath is not spared. Parking is done on as well as on the main road. We have made a number of complaints. SPD has come and inspected the site somewhere last 15-20 days back. But till today, SPD has not taken any action. Now we have called the municipality. We are giving an ultimatum of the municipality within 15 days. If action is not going to be taken by the municipality, sit on the road and resort to Rasta Roko.
दुसरी फोमेंतो अखिल भारतीय बुद्धिबळ सर्त बुधवारा सावन सुरवात जाली। देशभरांतल्यान 150 वयर खेळगड्यांनी सर्तीत वांटो घेतला। गोंयच्या रिया सावंताक सर्तीत पयलें मानांकन मेळ्ळां। पणजेच्या रुद्रेश्वर संघटनेन सर्त घडोवन हाडल्या। मिरामारच्या क्लब गस्परडायसात 4 दीस ही सर्त चलतली।
पणजेचो महापौर सुरेन फुर्तात, फोमेंतो रिसॉर्टची व्यवस्थापकीय संचालक अंजू तिमलो आणि हेरांचे हजेरीत हे सर्तीचे उक्तावण जाले। रुद्रेश्वरचे बुद्धिबळ सर्तीक फोमेंतो सदांच तेंको दितले अशें तिमलोन सांगले।
Chess is growing in Goa. It's the best sport by which discipline, focus and intelligence can be tested. And I know that most chess players are also good students in education because they have the concentration and the discipline and focus. I would like to wish you the best for your competition, and we are very happy to be part of it, and we'd like to congratulate Rudreshwar Club to continue with this event, and I wish them all the luck for their annual event, and they know that Fomento will be with them in every way to ensure that chess grows in Goa.
ही सर्त जिखपाची मोख रियान दवरल्या।
What is your target?
To come first and increase maximum 20.
सर्तीत वाटेकार जावपी खेळगड्यांची माहिती मुखेल आर्बिटर वसंतान दिली।
It's a federated all India chess tournament. It's a below 2000 ELO rating, and this is only to get a FIDE rating for the lower rated players. So as of today, now 156 players registered from Goa and the neighbor states. So total out of 156, there were 78 rated players. That means 50%, and 32 were the female players. And from other states like Karnataka, then Gujarat, Maharashtra, Delhi, there were around 20 players. So it is a good opportunity for the local players to get a FIDE rating.
आमचो खेळा संपादक नीरज प्रभू आणि सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास चारी।
नेरूल वाठारांतल्या एलपीके वॉटरफ्रंटाचेर कांय अनोळखी मनशांनी हल्लो केलो। 25 जाण तोंडाक मास्क बांदून मोटारसायकलीचेर आयिल्ले। तांणी डिस्कोची मोडतोड केली आणि सेक्युरिटी गार्डाक मारहाण केली। हे घडणुकेन 25 ते 30 लाख रुपयाचें लुकसाण जालां असो अदमास आमदार मायकल लोबोन उक्तायलो। डिस्कोचो मालक नंदन कुडचडकार सध्या मुंबयत आसा। इतल्यान खबराची हांगाच सोंपता। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट। यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट।